Huawei recently unveiled two new flagship smartphones, and leading the P series is the Huawei P20 Pro. It's equipped with a Kirin 970 chipset, 6GB RAM, 120GB storage, and 4000 mAh battery. There is another smartphone though, that packs the same specs, the Huawei Mate 10 Pro. Let's find out how different these phones are. If we look at the advantages, P20 Pro looks like a scooped-up version of Mate 10 Pro, which is more equivalent in the cameras. The triple Leica camera system makes it the company's mobile photography king. In fact, its DxO marks highest ranked smartphone so far at 109 points, and the Mate 10 Pro trailing at 97 points. Those fond of selfies will be impressed as well, with its 24-megapixel front camera with AI beautification. The P20 Pro and Mate 10 Pro are both powered with the company's Kirin 970 chipset with neural processing unit, 6GB RAM, 128GB storage, and 4000 mAh battery. Given the similarities, we're expecting almost the same level of performance. Although power consumption might be different considering the P20 Pro is running more advanced photography hardware. The P20 Pro also has an advantage of having an updated OS, but the Mate 10 Pro could receive that as well in future updates. Lastly, the price. The P20 Pro is priced at €899, while the Mate 10 Pro debuted at lower €799. To sum it up, if you're looking for a smartphone with the best camera in the market, the P20 Pro is the one to get. But if you have a lower budget, the Mate 10 Pro is the next best bet as it packs the same chipset, RAM, storage, and battery.